name is Gasly. I'm your local representative of the Translucent White Delegation. I'm here with my friends Dual Wield and Phil Gilmore, and you are watching the Fright Power Hour. Right here on the only place to see it live, and that's twitch.tv/Gold City. Oh, wait, I should have put that at the end, Phil, so it could be the only place to see it live.
Yeah.
See, that's the way to do it. Gotta get it right.
We're gonna get it back.
Yeah.
We're gonna get it back.
We gotta get it back with that live. Because I missed the live.
I missed the live.
Good morning to you out there, Whale Gang. Thank you so much for being here this evening. We have got a hell of a show lined up for you today.
It's a hell of a show.
And I am really looking forward to getting into some of this stuff tonight. So glad
Oh,
to see
Lord,
so many of you.
I just saw all of the tabs you have open. Holy shit.
It is quite a few tabs. It is quite a few tabs, man.
We got some shit for you people.
We have got shit to talk about today, man. That is definitely the case. Definitely the fucking case. But before we get to all that, guys, I'm so happy to see everybody out there today. Thank you for being here for another episode of your favorite stream of the week. And before we do a goddamn thing, let me give you just a couple little, couple little housekeeping things real quick before we do anything. Number one, right off the bat, I want to let y'all know what the deal is, man. If in fact, that's an if in fact you guys choose to break the hype train today, going into overdrive on the hype train will automatically trigger a 20% discount on everything at golf-gear.com. That's golf-gear.com. Phil, what was that website?
That's golf-gear.com.
You got it, my man. If, in fact, you guys break it, I'm getting 20%. Now you getting 20%. If you guys break it today,
Take
it's
that 20%.
I don't care how big your order is. You can buy everything on the store. Still 20% off. You can buy one sticker. 20% off. You can do any damn thing you want. And you know what the fucking promo code's going to be? Hype Train.
Hype Train.
So good. Big Dave, Hugo Makina, Sasai, 119, Seth Soa, Spotted Dragoness. Oh, hold up. We're going to have to come back to that in just a minute because I see it, you see it, and you know what time it is, friends. Give it up because you guys have activated the motherfucking Hype Train. That's what I'm talking about. Take it away, Phil.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. You've activated the Hype Train. Use your bits and your subs to level up the Hype Train. Work together, Whale Gang, and you can get this Hype Train rolling off the rails. We want to see those fireworks. We want to see those emotes. We want to see your bits. We want to see your subs. We want to see everything you got.
That's what I'm talking about, guys. Give it up already. You're already leveling up that Hype Train. Let's activate level 2. The train speeds up a little. You can see the hype starting to form all over the city. Throwing those bits, throwing those subs, throwing those slabs. That's what I'm talking about. Other gifted subs went to Darth and Ark, Old Man Nixon, the Cat of Streaming, J Fuse, Hewis Man, Amazing One, Bram Up, Zabuki, Kalani, Austria, Satan666, and Scorehammer. Thank you, Jack. Welcome, new subs. You guys have already hit level 3 on that hype train. Let's level up that hype. Let's level up that hype. Oh, it's starting to get hype out there in the city. Trains speeding up. Things are starting to glow. Things are starting to glow.
Come out of the sky. I can see it happening.
There it is. St. Michael for 300 bits. Let's get this show started right with that hype train. Dr. Busto for 100 bits says, I'm doing my part, and I would like to know more. Austin for 100 bits. St. Michael for 200 bits. Zach Osborne for 500 bits. Bang! Broken Bowler for 10 bits. Then I Justin for 200. Nyala for 300. You guys are at level 40. You're at level 3 for 43% completed in 3 minutes to go. Stone Bucky for 1,000 bits out there. Brendan G5 for 100 bits. Judah Feed for 100 bits. Oh, shit.
Holy
there
shit.
It goes. You guys activated that level 4. Oh, train's getting fast now.
That train's going off the rails, baby.
That's what I'm talking about. St. Michael for 1,000 bits. Jack T. Ripper has gifted a tier 1 sub to C. Thomas the Peasant. Colt the Pearl has gifted 20 tier 1 subs to the community. Bang! They went to Gulf City Creeper, Mr. Crosshaven, Boondoggler, the Homer, Faded Hostile Operator, E-Dog 1018. Holy shit, it's blowing off the rails. Tracy G, Mr. Shaw, Fallen Soldier, 666, Wakanda Peter, O2 Smartmouth, Super Deagle, Golden Dawn, Golden Pizza Rider, Praga NMD, Llama Wax, Whiskey Fresh, Tech A, Deadly Sock, Orange Killer. That's what I'm talking about, and you guys have completed level 4. We're about to get into that level 5 hype train. Oh, shit.
Holy shit!
Goddamn fireworks are falling onto the train. Fireworks are going crazy behind the city.
They're damn near taking out the camera.
Unbelievable.
Look at the sparks.
Sam for 100 bids. Outlaw for 100 bids. Deadeye Chester gives you 2 tier 1 subs. They went to your boy Pat and Zombie Titan. Outlaw for 100 bids. And then, holy shit. None your business gives 50 tier 1 subs to the community. They went to Soldier Deer, Flemmy, Mr. Mood, Salgavan, something in Korean. Gold City Sherry, Mono Spondylus, Relic 58, Rocket Sirocco, Jesse Teller, Hershickel Gruber, Sarah Grice, something like that. Monster Pete, names aren't real, Tom of Gold City, Dr. D, only the tip. Saeed Bo, Murasala Mitsuni, Victor Rand, Silent Knight, Victor Trax, Arden Assailant, Ice Crab, Fatal Zodland, WWIP, Pyro, Kavi, Raining Monkey, Rauco, Lord Dan Marcus, Sylvia, Stoner Stan, and Arc, Mixie Chaos, Mixie Mouth, Koki Cat, Coach Brew Gaming, Metalhead, Ted, Equatorial, Hastimus, or something like that, Boyle Frog, J International. Holy shit, it's getting serious. Unbelievable. Boyle Frog, J Insel, Starlight 423, and you guys are going into overdrive. Oh my God, the train is on fire! The train is on fire! Unbelievable!
You guys have set the train away.
Oh my God, it's glowing! It's glowing! Quick, somebody hit the crow cannon to stop this!
This means 20% off at goldfishgear.com.
That's right!
Promo code
Holy shit! Unbelievable! You guys are warping the fabric of time and space!
This is insane.
Holy shit! Let me try to keep reading them. David Daytona 12 Sam, Rousey, Adrian Blom, Conquer Justice, TRC 788. Oh my God. Outlaw for 50 bits, Broken Baller for 20 bits, Sam for 100 bits, Nyla for 1,000 bits, Zach Osborne for 500 bits, Onion Business for 300 bits, Jackie Ripper is gifted 10 subs. One day it's Lama, one day it's Left, GC Jerome, Savior, Opinionated Scotsman, Dead Wolf, Kelsey the Black Rider, Atomic Bomb Radio, Inquisitor Firebrand, Beyond Sadness, unbelievable. It's a Llama has fallen on Twitch. Almo has put down 10 bits. Gay's person on Twitch has gifted 5 subs. You guys are at 138% of a broken hype train with a minute and a half to go. Unbelievable. Oh my God, this is blowing my mind right now. You guys are playing on ultra hard.
Look
You're
at
playing
how
on ultra hard. I've never
explosive.
seen anything like this. Gifted up
This
for
is
the first chat, Mr.
explosive.
PC Master B, Stores, and War Chief of Volga. Dr. Functional has resubscribed for the 4th month. Deadeye Chester for 100 bits. None your business for 1,700 bits. Even if I'm Shereen Boss after all this damage, who knows, man? Greggy Kruger for 60 bits, and I'll be goddamned if they didn't do it up. My man GC Helator Stone Pinochet came in and called down the crew cannon. Wax in the chat, cause you motherfuckers better duck. We're 30 seconds to go. Everybody get down!
I wish we could splice
my
in the
God.
footage from T2 where she's holding onto the fence and burning.
That's pretty much exactly what happened.